Welcome to LocalSocial, the new proximity platform from Rococo Software. We focus on proximity, not location. Basically, we're interested in making something happen in software when a device gets close to something nearby. And we want to make proximity functionality as easy to use in apps as location is today. When we talk about proximity, we really mean short-range wireless. Basically, any wireless technology that works from a distance of, say, 6 inches to about 60 feet, such as Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, or NFC. We wrap these technologies up in a platform and make them real simple for developers to use. With LocalSocial, developers can build apps that can react when close to something of interest nearby. This could be another app or phone nearby, a laptop, a tablet, a car, or a business. Basically anything with a digital short-range wireless heartbeat. Even Bluetooth tags or wireless leashes, or new medical and fitness devices like weighing scales and BP monitors. So how does it work? There are two main parts to LocalSocial: a library that lives on the mobile side that developers use to trigger proximity alerts, tag devices, and look up information about devices. And a service in the cloud with an open API that stores device information, provides lookup services, and enables pre-canned connections to popular social networks. So what's LocalSocial used for? We tend to think of there being two broad categories of apps that LocalSocial supports: person-to-person apps and person-to-business apps. For example, with LocalSocial, it's easy to share some of my social streams with people who are physically nearby. Now, why would I do that? Well, at a conference, for example, it might be interesting to be able to share my LinkedIn profile with people who are in the same room or conference hall as me, and for them to see mine. In a social setting, it could be fun and interesting to share my Facebook stream or my Twitter stream with people who are on the bus with me, on the train, or in the pub. For businesses, LocalSocial can help any business with a physical presence, like a coffee shop or a department store or a restaurant or even a tourist location, find an interesting new way to engage with their customers, to perhaps detect when they come into or near the location and to interact with them, perhaps welcome them back, give them offers, and so on while they're in the store. Think virtual loyalty cards and rewards, hyperlocal deals and ads, and automatic check-ins to social media like Foursquare or Facebook Places. Platforms are boring, and we know that, so we've created a couple of showcase apps that demonstrate what the platform can do, and they're available at mylocalsocial.com. There are 3 apps there right now: Tagster, Dowser, and Nearbuyers. Tagster and Dowser are examples of the person-to-person apps that we talked about, and Nearbuyers is an example of the person-to-business interaction that's possible using proximity. Tagster is a fun app that lets you set some proximity rules so that your phone can react when it's near to devices nearby. Dowser is a social sharing app, so you can share your LinkedIn or Twitter streams with people nearby. And Nearbuyers is actually a pair of apps, a store app and a customer app, that shows how an interaction might work between different retail premises and their customers. You can get lots more information on LocalSocial at mylocalsocial.com. You can grab the showcase apps there and try them out for yourself. And if you're a developer, you can register as a developer and see the documentation, grab the libraries, and get started building a proximity-enabled app yourself. LocalSocial supports J2ME and Android today, with other platforms coming, and supports Wi-Fi and Bluetooth with NFC and other short-range wireless technologies coming. There's a whole bunch of other information on the site to do with analytics about your applications, how to use tags, social connections, and more. Thanks for listening. Go to mylocalsocial.com for more information.